So the next stretch that we're going to do is the psoas stretch. We're going to do this stretch laying on our back. It is going to be stretching our hip flexors. Those muscles get really tight when we sit for long periods of time. They can get really tight during pregnancy, and they can also get really tight with our workouts. And so this is a really, really good stretch to do. You can do this stretch off the side of a couch or off the side of a bed. You're gonna lay on your back with your knees up. You're gonna have the side that you want to stretch closest to the edge. You're gonna scoot towards your hips or almost off the edge. And then you're gonna take that leg and bring it down to the side. So for me, it's gonna be my right leg. And you can see my hip flexors are so tight. You can see they're not able to straighten all the way. And this is my first stretch of the day. So I needed this. You're gonna hold the stretch for about 30 to 60 seconds to begin. So you want to start with holding it for about a minute, just breathing, seeing how you're feeling. As long as you're not feeling any pain, as long as it's feeling pretty comfortable, I want you to try to hold the stretch for about 3 to 5 minutes. And the reason for the long hold is so that we're able to adequately stretch the fascia that's surrounding the muscle. So you're just gonna stay here, you're gonna hold again for about 3 minutes. If this doesn't feel like enough of a stretch, you can take the other leg and bring your knee up towards your chest. And that's going to increase the stretch just a little bit. You want to make sure that you're breathing and that you're just letting your leg relax. And again, we're going to hold for about 3 minutes. It is amazing if you're able to do both sides. We want to try to make sure we keep our hips balanced. And this is a great stretch to do every single day. Asked a lot if we should do this stretch in the morning or the evening. It's definitely a great stretch to do in the evening after, especially if you've been working all day or running around with kids all day. But if you're feeling stiff in the morning, this is also a great stretch to have as part of your morning routine. Hold the stretch for about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm not going to hold it quite so long because this is just more of a demo. But at home, I want you to, once you get into the stretch, go ahead and just kind of watch the clock and make sure you're holding it long enough to really, really, really get the benefits.